Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account in Amazon Prime Video. So this is very simple. First, navigate to primevideo.com, then click on Start your free trial here or Join Prime right here. So I will click on Join Prime. Now you have to click on Create your Amazon account, and here you have to enter your first and last name and then your mobile number and then at least 6 characters password. Once you are done, simply click on Create your Amazon account. Now Amazon can give you these puzzles to solve to verify and protect your account. Once you solve the puzzle, then the Amazon will verify your email address by sending you an email with a security code that you have to paste right here. So go to your email. The email should look like this. Now this is your security code, so select it, copy it with Command C or Control C if you are on Windows. Then click in this window and click Command V or Control V if you are on Windows. Then click Verify. So select the country and then type here your mobile number. Don't worry, you can remove your number in login and security to cancel anytime. Once you entered your number, simply press Add Mobile Number. Now they will send one-time password to your phone, so check your messages and enter the one-time password in this column. Then simply press Create your Amazon account. Now they will ask you to add a payment method, so simply choose your credit or debit cards. Here type your name on the card and here type your card number. Now select the expiration date. Then they will simply ask you to provide them your country and region, then full name, street address, city, state and province and region, zip code and phone number. So simply type it all in and then click on Use this address. Now simply select your payment method, so select the card that you want and press Continue. Now as you can see, you can enjoy unlimited instant streaming of thousands of movies and TV shows for a low monthly fee. Here is your payment method and here is your trial. As you can see, you can start Prime free trial and pay later. Click right here. So as you can see, you will pay $0 now and $7 a month after your free trial. Now you can click accept right here and you have successfully created your account. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.